With pdfFiller, you can quickly e-sign and send PDF documents for signature. Open your document in the editor. Click Sign in the top toolbar. Then create your electronic signature by typing, drawing, or uploading an image of your handwritten signature. Customize it using different fonts. Once finished, place your signature on a document. Adjust its size and confirm your changes by clicking OK. pdfFiller makes it easy to type your name on a PDF and add a date. Now, let's send a document for signature to someone else. Add fillable fields to make document completion effortless and intuitive. Then, click the arrow next to the Done button and select eSign. Enter a recipient email address to assign fillable fields. You can return to the Signer Management menu at any time. Now, when your document is ready, let's send it out. Click the More button and select eSign. Choose another signer in the pop-up. Then specify or double-check your recipient's email address. You can always add more recipients if you need to collect signatures from multiple individuals. Additionally, pdfFiller allows you to add CC'd recipients, set up actions upon document completion, and specify a URL to redirect signers to after submitting a document. To send a document, click Send Invite.